Welcome. If you've ever needed to clean up a Discord server by removing a channel, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through an updated, straightforward way to delete a channel so your server stays tidy and organized. First, open Discord and head to your server. You'll see the list of channels on the left side. Pick the channel you want to delete by clicking it to focus it. This ensures you're working on the right space before making any changes. Next, you'll perform a quick long press on the channel name. If you're using a mobile device, press and hold until a menu pops up. On a desktop, right-click the channel name to bring up the same options. The goal is to access the channel settings without confusion, so take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct channel. From there, tap on Edit Channel. This opens the channel's configuration screen where you can adjust various details like the topic, permissions, and slow mode. Don't worry about losing other settings. You're just one step away from finalizing the deletion. Scroll down to the bottom of the Edit Channel page. It may feel like a minor section, but it contains a critical action. Keep scrolling until you reach the option labeled Delete Channel. This is the moment to ensure you're certain about removing the channel, since deletion is permanent for that channel's messages and settings. Tap on Delete Channel and then confirm your choice. You'll usually be asked to confirm once more to prevent accidental deletions. After you confirm, the channel will be removed from the server. It won't appear in your channel list anymore, and its history will no longer be accessible from the channel view. A quick tip: if you're unsure about permanently removing a channel, consider archiving it instead. You can delete content from a channel gradually or rename it to something like Archive Ideas and restrict access to keep the information without cluttering the main channel list. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can keep your Discord server clean and well organized.